Hey everyone, today I'm showing you the brand new version of LightBurn Pro, now updated to 2.0.02, one of the best software for laser cutting and engraving. With LightBurn, you can work with materials like acrylic, leather, MDF, rubber, paper, and more. Each one can be used to create amazing products to start or grow your business. With acrylic, make custom signs and LED lamps. With leather, keychains and engraved bracelets. With MDF, decorative frames and gift boxes. With rubber, personalized stamps. And with paper, elegant invitations. Now, version 2.0.02 brings major stability improvements. It fixes zoom crashes, RAW file issues, 3D slice problems, and barcode rendering errors. If you're using the trial version, or if your license already expired, I've got the solution for you. I offer an exclusive license, fully activated lifetime use, and very affordable. Just message me on WhatsApp, the number is in the description. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.